Newsflash, winter's coming. We all know how important humidifiers are in the winter, especially if you're in the Midwest or you have a furnace. So grab one of these really cool, mesmerizing humidifiers here on TikTok Shop for $9, guys. It changes colors. It's got really cool lighting effects. It doesn't look like a humidifier, and you can use essential oils with it. And guess what, guys? It comes with an essential oil. So mine came with the rose. I don't know if they all do or they're not, but mine came with rose, which smells amazing. But you know what I'm going to put in here for this winter? I'm going to put a peppermint essential oil in here and a eucalyptus to help with all that winter colds and congestions. So go grab yourself a few of these here while they're on sale on TikTok Shop because you're going to need one here come winter.